We lost a huge amount of stock. The carnage that week, it was just savagery that week in the store, and it showed an underbelly of society that was frightening. We were fortunate enough with a lot of determination we got it back open within a week, but it left a lasting image on staff. Staff were very frightened coming to and from work. They don't seem to have any consequence, for crime. They just seem to have a kind of certain lawlessness out there that's acceptable. And whether it's fueled by drugs, alcohol or whatever that night, or maybe just crowd frenzy, I'm not sure, but it certainly showed a level or a part of Ireland that I don't think is acceptable, or a legacy that we'd like to live behind, We would be a target of theft on a daily basis. Between here, the Asics store, and our Sketcher store on O'Connell Street, it would be unusual for a day to go by without an attempted robbery, and sometimes multiple times a day.
And it seems to be organised.
There is certainly an amount of organised crime there. There is certainly, it's probably unfair to put it into a specific category, but there is definitely robbing to order. There is definitely using underage people because they have less consequences even if they do get caught. Although even the adults, when they do get caught, it's a revolving door syndrome. We had a situation recently of somebody arrested at 10 o'clock in the morning trying to rob a particular item, back out that afternoon and back in the same store trying to rob the same item.
You do see quite a bit of antisocial behaviour and either drug taking or drug selling.
In this area, and it'd be really sad if D1 in particular, and now we have stores all over the country, both north and south, but D1 is at a different level to the rest of the country. Current Minister of Justice hopefully takes this on board, because I'm not sure is he fully aware of the challenges that are out there. When you're around town, even me myself, and I'd be quite a fit guy, I would like to think, you're watching yourself.